Hi, welcome to How to Mechanic. Today we're going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector. It's got an engine light as well. 1.4, and this is a template. Let's see where it is. Yep. Don't know if you can see it. There's them. So let's just turn it all on just to make sure the engine light is on. So turn that down. Yeah, it's not going off. So let's just turn this all off. Let's just turn it off. Right, so what we're going to use is a device, and this is a can't remember what it is. C reader number 7, and it's by Launch. So with all that connected, let's just turn the key. I'm going to turn it to number click 2. Well, until it clicks twice. Shit, come on. There you go. Give that a wipe. Oh, I'll do it this way anyway. Diagnose. I want to go to the engine management. So that's it. Run through the system. Okay. Okay it. I said okay. Let's just read the code first. Okay, that's weird. System to lean. Right, this engine has been running, so everything should be heated up. So for some reason that's come up. Let's just erase them and see what happens. Yeah, clear. Yeah, which we've already done. Okay. Let's just turn it on and see. Yeah. Okay, so we have resetted it.